Go to the Tools panel of Rebelle 5 and select, say, Oil. Go with the colour, maybe black, perfectly reasonable, and then add some brush strokes to this current layer. And I'm just going to create a number of little dots. Now you can of course vary it, you can use the ink brushes, watercolour, whatever you want. But it's just a very basic design. Now I'm going to create a sort of circular design. Doesn't have to be, could be square, triangular, long line, whatever. But just a number of just little dots here for this design, of course. Now once I've done that, what I can now do is I can save it to the stencils. So go over to Stencils, and you can find that in the window menu and Stencils. So with Stencils, right side menu, there's an option here for Create Stencil from Layer. And I'm going to go with the Alpha option. So click that, and now you've got your stencil. It's just been added to the Stencils panel, so you can use it later. So if you come back to it a couple of days later, you've still got your design there. Now what I'm going to do, just going to go up to this little menu here. There's an option, Remove. Does seem a bit odd, but however, what I want to do is I want to remove that layer. And I want to start afresh. So clears it down. Now what I can do, I can drag this stencil to this document. And you can see the design there. What you can also do is you've got this little menu up here. Unfortunately, it's just cut off. There you can see it. And you can move things around. You can also resize. So you can just resize just by clicking that one there. Also, you can go here, these little 3 lines. What you can do, click there, and you've got an option for tile. And you've got it tiled. Now what you do, just go over here to the fill in the Tools panel. Opacity 100%, tolerance 0, anti-aliasing set on. And I'm just going to apply. Now I'm using there black, but I could just put red. So click there, and you've got your red design. But what you can also do is you can move this, so you can reposition it. Don't have to resize it, but say you can put it there. Once you've done that, what you do, let's go for another colour. So you can take green, and again, click there with the fill, and again, you've got that. Now, of course, I could continue to add different designs, but I'm just going to remove that now. And you can see now you've got a lovely tiled design very quickly using this approach, using the stencil, just moving it slightly to fill up all the gaps. Of course, you could create any other design as well. You don't have to have dots like this. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.